What a beautiful day to have a drift event. Round 3 of the Formula Drift Pro Championship. This is what we call scorched. Here we go, Frederick Oswald initiates high on the bank. Is he gonna turn it up? Woo! There's the Higa. Simon Olsen initiates high onto the bank. Great proximity from Manoa. And just right there as Manoa bangs on the door, stays in it. Wow. Literal out front. He throws it high and tight like a fastball pitch. Oh, we got a tire fire. Brandon Sorensen, Odie Bakshis. Who's going to the 4? Who's going against Connor Shanahan? Into the crossover. Odie Bakshis looks like he transitioned. Bakshis possessed. Roy Manoa, 14 years old versus LZ. LZ now turns it up into the crease. Into the power alley, into the smoke. Whoa! We got liftoff, kids. Not talking Cape Canaveral here. Our final 4 is set. Sorensen versus Shanahan. Wow! Oh, and Sorensen giving it back. You can smell his tires. Sorensen leveling up. We're gonna see an all-Irish finale. Woo! We're about to set it! Orlando! Who's coming out on top? Shanahan or Dean? Everybody light up the night. The bank. Shanahan goes high. Shanahan looks. Oh, and there he goes. We got contact. James Dean goes off. Connor Shanahan is gonna be your winner here in Orlando. And the FD rookie comes out on top.